When we first started, it was all the way in the basement. That's how steep it was. This is all the way down. It used to be a little bit.
Really
at the very top, it would kind of bump a little high.
Yeah, it was really spooky at the top.
We've gone down it. That's the first time we've ever come up it.
I think I'd rather come up it than go down.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd rather go up everything and then down, and up's always better. You have a lot more control going up. Down, gravity has a tendency to control.
Yeah.
That's the one I went down once when it was wet.
Got it.
Go for it.
Rear tire's on the minute back there.
He don't take his time going down.
Okay.
Faster you go down, though, it's likely already to tip.
Unfortunately.
Tires are smoking, don't you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting the tires warmed up.
What does this take, 4 or 3?
Warm tires help on rock. I don't think they help much on mud, do they?
I don't know.
Take 4.
I've warmed the tires up for rocks before, but
Oh! That was awesome.
Who had that on video?
I do. Here, let me stand up and get that video. Then I jump out, drag me out of the way. That was good. I like that one.
Yeah. Let's bounce the trees.
You gotta climb a tree and be on his back. Back up to the tree.